Okay, those will be using their smartphones. I will have to give them a similar table to this one with the formulas shown already on that table. I will have to type them the data because it will be very complicated. It will be a very complex job to do if they type their own data. And I will also include the information for the X bars and the other information for the R bar. As you can see, for the X bar, all the information regarding X bar is on one section, and all the information regarding to the R bar is on the other section. This is because there is no control functionality when using a smartphone. Therefore, you wouldn't be able to highlight per each cell as you would be able to do with a computer where you have a control button. Though it is possible to incorporate if you have a keyboard that you can connect that functions with smartphones, you will be able to use the control function. But in this case, we don't have, so we'll then start with our X bar. So X bar is average. So first thing first, you click there once, then you say edit, right, and then you will type equals to. In my keypad I have the equals sign there. I can just click on it and then I will type average, right. Preferably don't click on it, just open bracket, click on your first cell, highlight, close bracket, enter. Okay, and then highlight it going down. Now you need to drag the formula down by clicking on fill. Okay, drag it down. All right, perfect. And then after that, your X bar will be your average of averages. So it will be equal sign, type again average, open bracket, click on your first cell that you need, right, and then close bracket, then enter, right. You can go along and type it there, 1.429. No, 4926. Okay, and then now we look for the R bar. How do you find the R bar? You find the R bar by starting with the averages. So start with the ranges first. Actually, I prefer doing this. Insert, and then moving this one this side, then delete. All right, start with the ranges. Okay, how do we calculate the range? The range is max. Okay, and open bracket and zoom, move to this side, okay, to the first one. Okay, and then like that. You can also see there on the x function there, you can be able to see, and then close bracket, minus, okay, mean, right, and then I open bracket, highlight again. So you can also type them A2, the colon, right, and then type C2, okay, and then close bracket, okay, enter, perfect. Then just drag it down until 21. Oh, all right, my mistake. Click there first and then fill, then you'd be able to drag down until 21. All right, then after that you look for your average. Okay, your average would be equal sign average open bracket. Okay, so I believe we have I2. You see that? I2. So you can go along and type it if you want. That is I2. Then inverted this colon there. Okay, and then I think it's 21. Alright, so you see it highlighted everything. Perfect, and then enter. So sharp. Now we are sorted. Then now looking at the upper control limit, we'll have to follow the formula and is well visible using my cell phone. Then I'll go along and say equal sign equals to need my X bar. Alright, and then plus. The plus sign is also there on my QT pad, and then open bracket and my A2 multiply by my, I think it's D24, yes, that one. All right, I know sometimes typing could be it's easy for when you keep on clicking, it's easy to make mistakes. So if you know where they are, these letters, you can type them, but otherwise you are also able to zoom, click on them. Then this one is a minus there, open bracket, and then you can go to A2 again, multiply by this one, then close your bracket and then click enter. For D4 you'd say equals to, for upper control limit for R chart now, you'd say that, which is your R bar, multiplied by D4. Yes, and then this one, it's multiplied by D3, which is a 0. Alright, then after that, for here I believe it's upper control limit, so I need to type it as it is. Do not make a mistake, you need to type it as it is. Do not copy it. Right, 75, okay. Then the year, your lower 1.23107. Right, and then for the R bar, we have your 0.6580. 658, okay, perfect. Then this one we have 00, your lower. Okay, I think I might have made a mistake here. My R bar, I need to put my R bar here first, which is 255. Okay, start clicking there and edit, delete everything. Okay, I said 0. You are able to scroll as you type, and you'll be able to see on top there what you're typing to. 5565 2556, yeah, that's perfect. Right, and then now this one is the one that it's a 0. Okay, this point I don't trust it, rather says 65803, right? Yeah, no problem. Then the final one is 0. The lower control limit for R. So now for your X's, for your X chart, you do this, click on that one and then click on fill, then you highlight going up until the top, then leave it like that, and then you come this side, you do the same, highlight first, then click there, and then it will allow you to fill, and then you go up until the top. Perfect. And then after that, just say click back once and then unzoom. So now I need to construct an X bar chart. So this is the info, like this, until the lower control limit, go down. Right. Don't make a mistake, you don't need the data anymore, you only need the information there, that one you've computed. So go to this arrow, insert, and then under the chart, the line chart, and then 1 to number 4, that's the one you need. Okay, and then back once, move on the side and move your chart, move your chart on the side. Okay, and then view it. How is it? Perfect. Okay, right. So keep in mind that you are unable to amend your chart. You can change a lot of things. All you can change is colors and styling, things like that, but you can't amend the data and other functionalities that are very important. But I will have to be lenient to those ones. So now for the R bar chart, you insert the R bar, right, like this. You must have highlighted all the R bars. Remember, you are unable to use the control functionality. Therefore, all your R bar information needs to be on one side. That is very critical. Then chart, line, and then number 4 again, like that. Perfect. And then move on the side. It seems like I'm enlarging it. Okay, just click it almost on the center and move it, right? So it's quite big. I can reduce it like this. Okay, make sure no information is on top of, you don't put your graph on top of your data. Once you do that, I won't be able to see and I won't have any choice but to penalize you. All those who will be using a smartphone need to inform me first so that I can give them the data already typed, and I can also give them the N value, the A2, D3 and the D4. I'll give them a graph, a table or an Excel spreadsheet with that information, because I know it will be a bit difficult for them to type this whole data. Right, and then you need to insert your name there. You can insert like that. Okay, then make sure your student number is visible, otherwise it's not your work. All right, thank you so much.